kung naghahanap ka ng quality, fuel efficient, check mo tong yung arrival natin. Lang. This is year 2024 model Suzuki Ertiga, and this is one of the best. So this is a 1.5 GLX. This is automatic transmission, gas fuel engine, and this is hybrid, kapatid. So ibig sabihin, sobrang tipid nito for only 880,000 pesos lang. So look at the signature of Suzuki, and of course yung bumper niya, maganda at maangas yung headlight, all intact original paint, naka-mags tayo, maganda yung gulong, syempre with trackable na side mirror. Kung gaano to kaganda sa labas, tara sa loob. Yung steering wheel natin, yung design nito dito, napakaangas. Yung display ng ating speedometer at fuel gauge, napaka-futuristic. Well, at the same time, maganda yung dashboard natin. So, napaka-glossy na wood type yung discard niya dito. Tapos, papunta dun sa may door panel natin, all goods na all goods, kapatid. Head unit, almost perfect. Grip natin, cup holder, syempre, yung ating handbrake. Maganda rin yung upuan natin, tol. So, hanggang dun sa headliner natin, all goods na all goods. Aircon natin, malamig, vanity sun shield, and tol, malawak at wide yung ating windshield. Nakita mo yung dinadaanan mo. All the way hanggang doon sa may likod. Check natin yung passenger side. Dito sa loob, all goods din. Yung knee space natin, shoulder head, maganda rin yung upuan natin, kapatid. Maangas din, meron tayo ditong yan, armrest. And of course, so hanggang doon sa loob, sa third row natin, so as you see, maganda pa siya. Sobrang ganda ng mga door panel natin. Check natin yung engine nito. Let's go. So sobrang angas nitong Suzuki Ertiga natin. This is year 2024 model, kapatid. Under the hood, it's 1.5 GLX, automatic transmission, gas fuel engine, and this is hybrid. 8,000 mileage pa lang yung tinatakbo niya. So napakalupit nito, tol. This is available via cash financing and trade-in. And syempre, negotiable upon viewing. At pag pupuntahan mo siya dito, yan, so pwede mo siyang i-test drive from 6 AM from 8 AM to 6 PM. And isa pa dito, tol, lalagay natin yung financing computation dito. Kasi naka-low down payment tayo, tsaka naka-low monthly amortization. And kung ikaw naman ay nasa province, remittance beneficiary, OFW, or seaman, tawag ka lang para ma-process mo na to via online, no? Para pagdating mo dito, after mong test drive, money transaction, will that same day, may uuwi mo na kagad tong unit na gusto mo. And guys, araw-araw nag-demo po kami ng iba't ibang klase ng sasakyan para sa inyo dahil pangarap namin mabili nyo yung pangarap nyo sasakyan. Once again, this is Ariel Oliveros, aka Amiga TV. Hihintayin ka namin dito sa Car Empire.